If you love avocados but hate the mess, stick around. We've got the ultimate hack for you. Today I'm showing you the only way you should cut an avocado. Trust me, it's a game changer. First up, forget the old method of slicing it in half and wrestling with the pit. It's time for a safer and more efficient approach. Step 1. Grab a ripe avocado and cut it lengthwise from stem to stern. Rotate around the pit to create quarters. Easy, right? Step 2. Twist the avocado halves to separate them. No slipping, no sliding. Now for the pit. Step 3. Pull it out gently with your fingers. No knife needed. Just place your index and middle fingers alongside the pit, thumb on the back, and pop. Step 4. Peel the skin back from each quarter like a banana peel. This not only maximizes the yield, but also keeps the flesh looking fresh and green. Bonus hack for you, need diced avocado for your salad or toast? Simply push those peeled quarters through a cooling rack. Perfect cubes, no fuss. And to keep that avocado from browning, submerge the whole fruit in water and refrigerate. It's as fresh as it gets. So there you have it, folks. The ultimate foolproof way to cut an avocado. Give it a try and say goodbye to messy, wasted avocados. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen hacks and tips. See you next time.